สวัสดีครับ Today we're making one of the most comforting and popular dishes in Thai home cooking, Thai fried rice with chicken, or Khao Pad Gai. It's savory, aromatic, and comes together in just under 15 minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you need: 300 grams day-old jasmine cooked rice, 150 gram chicken breast or thigh, 3 cloves garlic, 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoon seasoning soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, half tablespoon sugar, 60 gram diced onion, 1 to 2 green onions, about 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes or any kind of tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of oil, lastly cucumber slices and lime wedges for serving. First, let's prep all the ingredients. Start by mincing the garlic using a knife or using a food chopper. Next, slide the cherry tomatoes in half. If you are using a regular tomato, slide it into small wedges. Cut the green onions into small pieces. You can also cut it bigger depending on how you like it. Follow by dicing the onion into small pieces. The vegetables are not fixed in fried rice. You can add literally anything on the fried rice. Some people like to add broccoli, cabbage, or any leftover vegetables. Then slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We love using skinless and boneless chicken thigh because of its tenderness, but you can always substitute with other meat options. Next, heat up a wok or a large pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrance for about 30 seconds to a minute. Be careful, garlic burns fast, so you don't want to be sautéing for too long. Add the chicken and stir fry until it's cooked through. If you want extra tenderness, you could marinate your chicken in a little soy sauce beforehand. Push the chicken to one side of the pan, then crack in 1 egg. Let the egg set slightly before scrambling, so you get a nice big egg pieces. Once scrambled, mix them together with the chicken. Then add the day-old jasmine rice. Breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Preferably we wanted to use a day-old cooked jasmine rice. This keeps the rice fluffy and prevents clumping. If you only have fresh rice, spread it on a plate and let it cool in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before cooking for the best fried rice. Season the fried rice with half tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, and 1.5 tablespoon seasoning soy sauce. You can also add a pinch of white pepper as optional if you want a smoky and peppery flavor. Turn up the heat to high and keep stir frying until the rice is coated with seasoning and heated through. Then add the diced onion into the pan. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until the onions are softened, but do not overcook them. Add the green onions and tomatoes right at the end. Stir just enough to warm them up for about a minute. You would want the tomato to hold its shape and the green onion not to get too mushy. And that's it. Thai fried rice is ready to serve. Serve your Thai fried rice with cucumber slices and a wedge of lime. Squeeze that lime over right before eating. It brightens up all the flavor. This dish is perfect on its own. Or if you want to be authentic, you can also add a side of chili fish sauce for extra heat. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Thai dishes you can make at home. What is your favorite fried rice combo? Let me know in a comment. See you in the next video. Enjoy!